Friends, today we are going to learn here inverse of matrix by elementary operations. Means how to find the inverse by using what here elementary operations. Okay. In the last class I told that how to do elementary operations. Now in this class I am going to teach that how to find the inverse of matrix by elementary operation. Okay. Now let's take one example here. Okay. So I am going to take one example here. One matrix I will take here. Matrix A is given here. Matrix A is given. Okay. 1, 2, 2, minus 1. Okay. So matrix A is given here 1, 2, 2, minus 1. And what they'll ask that how to find the inverse of a matrix. Okay. Now to find the inverse of this matrix there are two methods. Okay. So we can find the inverse of matrix by using only row operations. Okay. Or we can find the inverse of matrix by using the column operations. Okay. So remember that if you are using row operations, use only row operations. Okay. If you are using column operations, then use here column operations only. Okay. Yes. Now first time, okay, I will find the inverse of this matrix by using what here row operations. Okay. So I will write here by using row operations. Row operations. Okay. So I am going to use now here row operations. Okay. So to use this row operation, one equation I am using here. One equation I am going to use here. What is that equation here? All we know that, okay, it's A is equal to I into A. It's the equation. Means if any matrix multiplied into identity matrix is equal to what here? Same matrix. So I is called here identity matrix. So identity matrix into A is always equal to what here? A. So this equation I am going to use, and I will find here inverse of a matrix. Okay. So let's do it. So I will put the matrix A value here. Matrix A what is given? 1, 2, 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 2 and minus 1. Okay. Now identity matrix, you know that identity matrix means it is a 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so identity matrix we got here. Now write this A as this. Don't write again A matrix here. So this A you keep as it is. Okay, so A is over, I is over. Now what I am going to use here, I am converting this matrix, converting 1, 2, 2, minus 1 into what here? Identity matrix. Means I am converting this matrix into what? Identity matrix here. So what should come? Here 1 should come, 1 only is there. Here 0 should come. Okay, what should come here? 1. And what should come here? 0. Means here 1 should come. Okay, already 1 is there. Here 2 should come, here 0 should come. Okay, here minus 1 should come. 1 should come here. And here should come 0. Okay, so means I am converting this matrix into this matrix. Now already 1 is here. Okay, so I want to convert this into 0. I want to convert this into what? 0. How to convert? I am using what? Row operation. So if I subtract, suppose this is the R1. So suppose the R2 here. And this is what here? R1. Okay, if I subtract row 2 minus row 1, can we get 0 here? No, see here, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 will come. 1 will come here. So I want here 0. Correct? I want here 0. So how to do that 0? Multiply this 1 into 2. Okay, 2 into 1, 2. That's why here if I multiply 2 into 1, it will come what? 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 into 1 is what here? 0. That's why R2, 2 is in R2 here, minus 2 into 1 is in R1. Okay, R2 minus 2 into the R1. So 2 minus 2 into 1 is what here? 0. So here 0 will come. That's why the operation is what now here? R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay. So R2 minus 2 into R1. Okay. What will come here? 0. So what I am changing? I am changing the row 2. So I am changing what here? Row 2. Correct. See that row 2 I am changing how? R2 minus 2 into R1. R2 minus 2 into R1. Correct. So 2 minus 2 into 1, what come here? 0 will come. So see that I'll write okay, row number 1 as it is. Row number 1 as it is. I am changing what? Row number 2 I am changing. Okay, that's why first row as this, second row I am changing. Okay, so what? 2 minus 2 into 1 I did here, it's a 0. Now minus 1 minus 2 into 2. For this element, this is the element quotient. Okay, so minus 1 minus 2 into 2. See here, minus 1 minus row 2 minus 2 into row 1. So 2 into row 1 is having 2. So minus 1 minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 minus into 2 is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So what will come here? Here will come 0. Okay, here will come 0 and here will come what? Minus 5. Okay, got now here. So I change here row number 2. So I applied this operation here. So that's why same operation apply here also. Same operation apply here also. Okay, so see that first is as it is, 1 0 as it is. Okay, now here row 2 minus 2 into row 1. Row 2 minus 2 into row 1. So what I will do here, just see 0 minus, okay, 2 into 1. 0 minus 2 into 1. Okay, so 0 minus 2 into 1 what here? Minus 2. So here will come what? Minus 2. 0 minus 2 into 1 is what here? Minus 2. Next see that 1 minus 2 into 0. So see that 1 minus 2 into 0. Okay, so that 1 minus 2 into 0 is what? 1 minus 0 is a 1. Cut. So 1 minus 2 into 0 is what here? 1. So here will come what? 1. Okay. So I change here row number 2 by applying operation row 2 minus 2 into row 1. Okay. Row 2 minus 2 into row 1. I did here. Okay. So here 1 will come. This is a rough operation. Okay. This is a rough operation. Okay, don't write this in exam. Last page you do this rough operation. Okay. Now see that next point is what? Now here we got 0. Okay, here we got 0. Here I want 1. Here I want 1. So how to make this minus 5 as a 1? See here. I want to convert this matrix into what here? Identity matrix. Here 1 comes. Here I want 0, so I got 0. Here I want 1. So minus 5 is there. How to make it 1? So if I see here, minus 5, if you multiply into minus 1 by 5, okay, what will come here? 5 and 5 get cancelled. Minus 2 minus here, plus 1. Okay, that's why if I multiply this by minus 1 by 5, here will come what? 1. That's why next operation is what? R2 I am changing. This I am changing, no. R2 is changing what here? Minus 1 by 5 into R2. Okay, so that I will get here 1. Okay, so see that first row again 1 2 as it is. So 1 2 is the first row as it is. Okay, now see minus 1 by 5 into R2. So minus 1 by 5 into 0 is a 0. Okay, minus 1 by 5 into minus 5. I did here. Minus 1 by 5 into minus 5 is what here? 1. So here, that's why here 1 will come. Okay. So this matrix. Okay, I changed the row 2 here. Now same operation apply here also. Same operation what here? Which operation? Minus 1 by 5 into R2 apply in this also. Okay. So see that. Okay, first row is as it is. So first row 1 0 is what here? As it is. Okay, minus 1 by 5 into minus 2. See here, minus 1 by 5 into minus 2 is what? minus into minus plus 2 into 1 2 plus 2 by 5. So here will come what? Plus 2 by 5. So here plus 2 by 5 will come. Okay, again minus 1 by 5 into R2. So minus 1 by 5 into 1 is a minus 1 by 5. Okay, now this A as this. Here A as this and here also A as this. Okay, so this operation I apply to this matrix also and this operation I apply to this matrix also. I am multiplying row 2. I am multiplying what here? Row 2 by minus 1 by 5. Now next see here I got 1, here I got 0, here I got 1. That means here I want 0 now. If I get 0, it will be what? Identity matrix. I told that I am converting this matrix into what here? Identity matrix. Okay, that's why here I want 1. So if I subtract 2 minus 1, it will come what? 1 will come. So that's why I want here 0. So 2 minus 2 I want. 2 I want. So I will multiply what here? 2. Okay, 2 into 1 2. 2 minus 2 into 1 2. It will come what here? 0. See that? 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 minus 2 is what here? 0. Correct. That's why operation is what now here? This is the R1 and this is what here? R2. Correct. R1 and R2. So R1 minus 2 into R2. Okay. So this is what here? R1 minus 2 into what here? R2. R1 minus 2 into R2. So that R1 minus 2 into R2. It will come what here? 0. Okay, that's why I am changing what now here? Row number 1. So row number 1 I am changing. Okay, see that I will again change. Okay, so 2 minus 2 into 1 here came 0. Okay, 2 minus 2 into 1, it will come what here? 0. Okay, now here in this R1, this I change. This also is there, no? 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus 2 into 0, because in R1 1 also there. So 1 minus 2 into 0. So 1 minus 2 into 0 is what? 1. So this is 1 as it is. Why it is coming 1? Because I want your identity matrix. So this should be 1 only. Okay, and 2 should be here 0. Okay, so 1 and here 0 came. Second row I am not changing. So second row is as it is. Second row is 0 and 1 here as it is. 0 and 1 as it is. Okay, now this same operation applied here also. So this is the R1, this is the R2. 2 into R2 now. So R1 is what? 1. 1 minus 2 into R2 is what? 2 by 5. 1 minus 2 into 2 by 5. R1 minus 2 into R2. Okay, so what now here? It's a 1 minus 4 by 5. So is that here 1 minus 4 is 5 is LCM में 5 into 1 5. 5 minus 4. Okay, 5 minus 4 is what here? 1 by 5. 5 is LCM here, 5 into 1 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is a 1 by 5. Okay, so here comes what? 1 by 5. R1 minus 2 into R2. Same operation for this also. In R1 0 also there, no? 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. Clear? See, 0 minus 2 into minus 1 by 5. Okay, R1 minus 2 into R2. Operation R1 minus 2 into R2. Okay, so what now here? 0 minus of minus is what? Plus 2 into 1 2 by 5. So 0 plus 2 by 5 is what here? 2 by 5. Okay, 0 plus 2 by 5. 0 plus 2 by 5 what here? 2 by 5. So here will come what? 2 by 5. Okay, so first row I changed by using this operation. Second row is as it is here. Second row is what? 2 by 5 and minus 1 by 5 is as it is. Okay, and here A right here as it is. Okay, now I got identity or not? See, by using this matrix here, okay, and using this operations, okay, I converted this matrix into what here? Identity matrix. Correct? So this matrix is converted into what here? 1 0 0 1. That's why this is what now here I and whatever we converted that, this is your A inverse into what here A. Okay, so therefore A into A inverse always gives the answer I. If I multiply A into A inverse, answer will come what here I. Therefore A inverse is what? A inverse is this matrix. So matrix is what now here? 1 by 5, 2 by 5, okay, and here 2 by 5, and here is what? Minus 1 by 5. Okay, so the matrix here, it is what here? Inverse of a matrix. Okay, so A into A inverse always equal to what here? I. Okay, this is your inverse of matrix by using what? Row operations. Okay, we can find the inverse of matrix by the column operations also, that we see in the next video. Okay, so we stop here. Okay.